So when we're out fishing in the open water all spring, summer, fall, we never go fishing without a sounder.
No.
And it's the same for ice fishing, whether we're fishing for brookies, rainbows, or kokanee. So why do we want a sounder in the wintertime?
Well, the sounders that we use in the ice fishery is called a flash sounder. And what it does, instead of having the fish feeding and going across, it actually gives you a ring. And that ring, as you can actually, one of the real advantages of it, you can see exactly where your flasher is, so you know what depth you're at.
Exactly.
Which is really important. The other thing it gives you is it shows you where the fish are. So you might be fishing at 20 feet and you'll see fish down at 30 or 40 feet, and you can immediately drop down to them.
And chase them, yeah.
The other advantage of the flasher is it actually tells you, it gives you different colors. And so you can see when there's fish there, they turn blue and green. With these flashers, you can actually see when the fish are right on your bait.
Yeah.
It turns yellow and then red.
Yeah.
And when you see that red, you know that a
Yeah.
bite may be imminent.
Yeah.
So you can see this is the lure lighting up here. It's picking it up. And when it goes red, particularly on the bottom, that's actually the jig, that's the bait. When that goes red, you know you've got a fish sitting right on there looking at it, and hopefully a bite is coming shortly after.
So a really important thing for anglers to understand is that with the flasher units, it's instantaneous. It's live what you're seeing down there, versus a regular sounder. There's a delay,
A bit of a delay,
going up and down, but it's for kokanee fishing.
It really is the better
It's a
way
flasher.
to fish. Yeah.